Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok creator tools not showing. It's really simple and easy. Open up the TikTok application. There are two methods to fix it. Let's start with first method. From your desktop, tap on the profile picture and tap on these three bars in the top right corner here. And then go for this settings and privacy. In settings and privacy, if you scroll down, you will see this window cache and cellular. You have to open this, free up space, and there you have to clear this cache here. Tap on this clear. This was the first method to solve it, but the second method is most promising. So after clearing cache, you can simply restart your app and see if your problem fixed or not. If you are still facing this problem, tap on these three bars again and go for this settings and privacy again. Scroll down and tap on this report a problem, and then you will see this creator tools. Tap on this drop down and it will show you these two options, analytics and locations. You have to open analytics, and in analytics it will show you some options here, but you have to click on this other, and here you have to tap on this no and need more help. Now you have to type here like this: creator tool is not visible on my account. I have tried many things but nothing worked. Help me to enable creator tools on my account, and simply tap on send button. TikTok team will fix this issue for you in next couple of hours. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.